We're getting ready to torch down this underlayment, and the first full sheet.
Torch down.
Yep. Frank's getting the torch all done there.
Got the fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, safety first.
Second and third. Always got to remember righty tighty or righty loosey, lefty tighty on propane tanks.
Yeah. That's true.
It's backwards.
It is backwards.
I think that's something else.
Well, good morning everybody. It's another beautiful day at Miss Mooreland, and we are again up here on the roof.
Yay!
In very warmish temperatures, but that's okay because we're excited that we just might get it done today. We spent a lot of day yesterday prep work and repairs, but let me show you where we're at. Okay, we've got all the holes patched. We've got over holes, like knot holes and things like that. We have some patches so that you can't see the roofing or it won't fall into the knot holes. So we've got a lot of those going on. And Frank got some nailers put up so that it lays nice and flat. So yesterday, as just a recap, we got the synthetic fiberglass tar paper down, the underlayment, 1.5 rolls underlayment torched down, and we'll finish up with the tar paper today, and we'll get the torch down underlayment, and hopefully, right Frank, we'll get some of the roofing down. That's our goal.
Yeah.
That's our goal for the day.
It'll be watertight by the end of the day.
Yeah, we're just.
It rains tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to be tomorrow afternoon thunderstorms. However, the torch down actually goes pretty fast.
It's the prep work.
It's the prep work, and that's what all this has been for the last few months. The valley rafter, the removal of slate.
Beams and decking
and
slate.
And the magnolia trees
Wow.
are blossoming at the top. Isn't that pretty? So we can see it from the rooftop. So, all right then, that one's got a few. The big one over there's got a few at the top. So, it's a gorgeous day, and got to get busy.
Alrighty, she's all cleaned off, and the last roll of underlayment's going down, and then we got this row, and then this thing will be dried in for the last time. Carrie's shimming up the edge of the roof. We are this close.
I am very thankful that Frank calculates well. The underlayment we have down is 300 square feet. This is a 300 square foot roof. Good thing you bought more than one roll.
Oh, well, you gotta, I mean, I'm overlapping it by about 8 to 10 inches, so that right there, 25, that's 50 square feet or so right there.
So, how much do one of those rolls weigh when you're carrying it up?
I'm not carrying them up anymore.
Oh, that's true. It bruised your shoulder pretty good yesterday.
They're 104 pounds. So, I carried that up, but I ain't doing that anymore.
No.
It says to cut it in manageable rolls, and I thought, I could manage the whole row. I don't know anybody that humps 104 pounds of roofing up the ladders like that. Oh well.
All right.
I did it once just to say I could do it.
We still have to nail down on this side, but it's getting there quickly now. Awesome.
Progress is progress.
We'll take it. Well, hey everybody, we are making progress today. It's warmish up here, change of hats. Anyway, we got all the tar paper down, nailed down, and again, that's a fiberglass underlayment tar paper. And Frank's already started on getting the torch down underlayment going. He got the side over here, and so he's downstairs cutting the rolls into manageable pieces, and then he's got to carry them up the ladder. But it is an exciting day because this roof is almost weatherproofed. All right, Frank split up the rolls. He's carrying them up.
It's much lighter when it's only a half.
Yeah. Good job, baby.
It takes more trips.
Yes, it does. But that's all right. Okay. Getting drip edge ready.
You can only put it as far as the slate goes.
Sealing up the drip edge, and he had already replaced the slate on these to go underneath, so this side was ready. So, and the west side is all done, so all we have left is to replace the slate on the east side and a little bit on the south side. This is the area on the east side of the house that we have to replace all that slate. If you continue on down this side, he's almost back up here to the top. We have a few more to go, but that's for a later date. She is weather tight, and that's a good thing. All right.
Well, we almost got her. We got the base layer down. We need to work on the flashing and stuff. But right now, it is a lot better than a tarp. And we don't have to worry about it blowing off every minute of every day. I don't know if we'll put the cap sheet on right away or not. We don't know. I got a flasher on the chimney, but other than that, we're having a good time. But we're done for the day. It's been hot. Got it in the 90s today, so this roof and this sunshine was something else. There's Carrie, she's cleaning up. You look like you've been up and down those ladders a couple times.
You could say that. Do you have the rat? Mm-hmm. Oh, do you want Mama Frog? Or do you want the Mama Frog? Oh, sweet girl. My meanie. My. Oh,